Hey, 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 I'm Fish. Oh, what a wonderful wet day it is. Look at that sky. Ooh, watch out for this little bump in the road, the patch I always try to avoid. I got a gimbal camera so I could pan nice and smooth. And this is not the panning of the 5D joystick. And the reason for that is, this is why. I can't go no further than that. I want to pan all the way around, but I can't. I could do on the other side nice and slow. And here I am. So, why would you get a gimbal that doesn't pan 360 degrees the way you want? It should pan, if it starts up in the front, yeah, facing that way is important. But it should be able to allow to go to the 7 o'clock position over here. And then it should be able to pan all the way around to the 10 o'clock position over here. So it should give us, you got it, from 7 to 11, what we want. Overlap more than 360 degrees. I can't add. It's like 1.5 times 360. 360 plus 180. That should be like 520 degrees you should get. And that's what DJI is going to do in the Pocket 4. Because they heard everybody complain. Oh, how come it don't go that far? How come it stops at 340 degrees? How come it... Too much raving about something that is so hype that doesn't do a lot that you want. And we're back again the way it is. Oh yeah, the GoPro Hero 1, the GoPro Hero 12. What's going to be in the GoPro Hero 13? Just one more little thing that the Hero 12 didn't get, that the 11 has, and so forth. That's what they're doing. They're making electricity to the pier again. Putting up nice poles, AC for the boat, but yet, any park benches. Maybe one day they'll get to this pier again and build a new bridge and redo it. We'll watch the bird submerge from down below. There he is. He's all the way over there. He is a fast swimmer for sure. There. We could go for some breakfast. It's open. I smell bakery. Muffins are cooking, and they are freshly cooked. Oh yeah. I've been into the store. They have nothing left. They had just about all the kitchen hardware knobs all thrown in a big pile, and they were packaging everything up. They are done, finished, closed for good. The signs even down. They even try to sell their Christmas wreath. The signs, everything. Mom and Pop didn't have any excuse. They just got up and said, the landlord's closing the store. And they don't own the store for 100 years. I don't know what's going to come here, what's going to be in its place, what they're going to build, what zone they have. It'd be another store like the supermarket down the other end that's been out of business for 8 years and nothing has been there. Well, I shot my video, I did my talk, I shared a lot. I said a lot, did a lot, shared a lot. Time for me to get on out of here before this rain starts to come down. I had my exercise for the day, my bike ride on the Cannondale Adventure 2, and shot with a DJI Osmo Pocket 3 with the audio of a DJI Mic 2, waiting for the pop-ups to go away. Nothing's ever perfect, and on that note, have a great day. I'm Fish. See you on many videos to come.